Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to complete the Jamboard activity um, for today's Dear Future Generations lesson. So hopefully you read through all the lyrics, and once you get to the Jamboard, you'll see it set up something like this. And you'll notice up here there's a number of slides. All the slides are the same. Okay, so I'm going to assign you which group letter you are, and then you just have to find it. Okay, so if I tell you that you're group E, you just have to scroll over until you find group E. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you an example of how to complete today's quick and easiest assignment for Jamboard. So after you're done reading through the lyrics, you are going to pick a section of the lyrics that stuck out to you, plus include an image that goes with it that you think represents it well. Okay, so you'll go in here and you can literally copy and paste a lyric that stuck out to you. Okay, so after you copy and paste it, you can literally go over here to sticky note. You can pick whichever color you want. All right. And then you're going to just copy and paste it there. Now, I don't want to take away a lyric that you could possibly use with my example, so I'm just going to make up a lyric that is not in there, just so that we know. Sorry that our misuse of resources caused all of the golf courses to go away. Okay, and then I'm going to put my name there so that we know whose it is. You're going to do the same thing. And then you click save. And then after you're done, you can click cancel because it's already here. So there's going to be a couple of you assigned to each group. So you just have to make sure that you put yours in a different part than whoever else is in your group and stretch it out to make it big so you can see it. All right, so once again, this is not a lyric, an actual lyric. You're just going to pick a lyric that stuck out to you and put that in there with your name. Next, what you're going to do is you are going to insert an image. So you'll go over here to the left side. This is the easiest way to do it. If you click add image, if you happen to save a picture to your Chromebook, you can just upload it. But what I'm going to do is Google image search. That's what a majority of you will probably choose to do today. And then you're just going to choose a keyword from that lyric that goes with it to show what best represents it. So I'm going to put in golf course. Okay. And I'm going to try to find a picture of a golf course that shows like natural resources, trees, one that looks like it's good for the environment because it's preserving natural wildlife to be there. Okay, so I'm going to choose that one. So I just have to click on it, click insert, and it's put in there. And then I'm just going to put that below my lyric. Okay, and I can make it a little bigger. And that's it. That's really all you have to do. If you don't like the images that come up, you can choose different words like, so I also mentioned natural resources going away, so I could just do a different search. Natural resources. And if I like one of these better, I could just choose that. So feel free, if you're doing the Google image search, you can play around with the types of words that you would like to use for that. All right, they go along with your quote. All right, and that's all you have to do. If you have any questions, you can let me know once we get started.